In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ads.txt to your Shopify Vintage store. If you've been navigating through the intricacies of online advertising, you've likely come across Ads.txt, a simple yet powerful way to secure your ad inventory and ensure that only authorized sellers can market your ad spaces. It's a straightforward process, but it requires a bit of attention to detail to execute correctly. So, let's jump right into it. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the central hub of your store where all the magic happens. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll want to find and click on the tab called Online Store. This is your go-to section for any customizations or changes you need to make to your site. Now that you're in the Online Store section, look for a link labeled Themes. Click on it, and you'll see a list of the themes you currently have installed. Identify the theme that you are actively using and click on Actions. Next, from the drop-down list, select Edit Code. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're going to navigate through it together. Once the Edit Code page is open, locate the Assets directory on the sidebar. This is where we'll be adding a new file. Click on Add a New Asset. A small window will pop up asking you to create a blank file or upload a file. Choose Create a Blank File. Name your file Ads.txt and ensure it's a plain text document by checking the drop-down menu for file types. Now comes a critical step. You'll need to populate your newly created Ads.txt file with the authorized seller's information. This data usually comes from your ad partner or advertising network. Simply copy and paste the information into the Ads.txt file. It's crucial that this data is accurate, so double-check for any errors or missing entries before saving. Once you're satisfied, click Save to officially add this file to your site. It may take a moment to process, so sit tight. After saving, you'll want to verify its presence and functionality. Open a new browser tab and go to your store URL, adding Ads.txt at the end. If everything has been done correctly, you should see your list of authorized sellers displayed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only added a layer of security to your online store but also helped your ad network to properly monetize. Remember, keeping your Ads.txt file up to date is essential. Whenever you add new ad partners or make changes, return to this process and edit your file as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been both informative and easy to follow. Until next time, happy selling!